everyone. I'm here in my hotel room in Dallas for the Digital Built Week Americas conference. Super excited. This is the first in-person conference that I've attended since 2019, so before the pandemic. And so I finally got here. Took a little while. There was a little delay on the plane, of course, right? So I think I'm gonna go grab some food because I'm starving, and then I probably will be practicing my presentation for most of today. I have it tomorrow morning. There's a speaker event later that I'm going to also attend, and then we're gonna start the conference. So brought my GoPro, so you guys are gonna see something a little different here on the channel, and hopefully you enjoy the footage. If you're here, hopefully I get to meet you. If you're not, hopefully this gives you a little bit of the conference experience. And with that, I'm gonna go grab a burger somewhere. Hey guys, I'm back in my room after stuffing my face in a big old Texas burger. I got a few hours before I have to go to registration and the speaker event. So I'm here sitting at the laptop, and I'm probably going to just run through my presentation and get comfortable and feel good about it for tomorrow morning. So all right, everyone, that's day one, which was travel day. Back in the hotel room, it was travel day. We had ate some lunch, did some practicing, had a speaker sponsor function, which you saw some shots of there. Walked back in the extreme heat, and now I'm back in the room with this cool light. Check out this light. I'll probably do maybe one more practice of the presentation, then go to bed, wake up fresh, and tomorrow starts day one of the conference. My session is the first session after the opening remarks, so pretty excited about that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, hey everyone. This is the official day one of the Digital Built Week Americas Conference 2023. I'm actually walking to the opening session. I was running a little late. I was doing one last try running my presentation, and I didn't realize what time it was, but that's okay. I'm doing the long walk to the exhibit hall, and then in about an hour and a half, I'll be doing my first presentation. You probably saw it before. Got up and had a little breakfast, did some chit-chatting with some folks there. And I'm gonna try my best to document this for you today, and some of the sessions and so on and so forth, including my own. And hopefully you guys enjoy experiencing the conference through my lens and my eyes. Talk soon. Okay, sorry that it's so cold in here. I have no control over that, but it is what it is. I mean, I guess for conferences, you kind of got to get used to that. When it comes to the session, I wanted it to be a little unique. I could easily just throw up a bunch of how-to videos on how to get from Revit into Twinmotion and just click, and go through it. But I really wanted to dig deeper. of course, is like, I don't know how to use this thing. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. So of course, the first thing he does is goes to his favorite YouTube page and he looks up, how do I use Twinmotion? And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the process of how to use Twinmotion with Revit, give you some tips and tricks along the way, and explain how Henry completely changed the story. Okay. When it comes to real-time scenes, and this really does apply to rendering too, I'm going to talk about real-time scenes. The context is almost as, if not more important than the building itself, right? There is pretty much zero barrier to entry now to build whatever world that you want in your scenes, in your projects, in your models, in your design. And it even goes back to what was in the keynote. It's storytelling. It's exactly what I did with you guys today, right? It's telling the story. You're no longer designing an object, you're telling the story of your client. So you're telling them what it's going to look like. And so that's exactly what I did with you guys today as well, is I just told you the story of Anna and Jim within the house of Anna and Jim while we're going through the process of designing Anna and Jim. So this tool gives us the ability now, right, to not just design objects, to not just design Part T diagrams, but it's to show clients what their future could be beyond just a couple elevations and all the stuff that we've done. So hopefully this gives you an idea of what you can do now. You have this awesome tool for free, believe it or not. No? Sweet, thanks guys. Awesome, thank you. I appreciate you guys. It got a little warmer in here, I think. Did it? Or was it because I'm presenting? I don't know. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much. Hey, everyone. Just finished my session, heading over to lunch and then another session. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the clips from it about Twinmotion. It was well attended, lots of good questions and Q&A at the end there. And yeah, I had a good time. So for those of you that joined it, thank you so much. And it's over with. Now I get to really, really enjoy this conference. So hopefully you guys enjoy the footage and I'll see you soon. Everyone, here we go again. This is officially day 2 of the Digital Built Week Americas 2023. As you can see, I'm taking the walk again. Definitely getting your steps in this week, going to the exhibit hall. Last night was this really neat social event at Electronic Shuffle or Electrical Shuffle. Those shuffle boards. It was super, super fun. You might be able to hear from my voice that I'm losing it a little bit from how good of a time we had. Yeah, today's going to be another day of some good sessions. The exhibit hall is open, and I hope you guys enjoy following along with the ride. So with that, I'm going to continue walking all the way across to the exhibit hall, and I'll see you guys soon. Hey everyone, it's my last day here in Dallas. I wanted to just check in, waiting for my car to bring me to the airport. Had an awesome time here at Digital Built Week America. Hope you guys got to see a little bit of what a conference is like, what this conference is like. Unfortunately, I'll be missing the final event, which is the gala dinner, but I had an awesome barbecue last night. Still think I'm full from it this morning. Incredible sessions. I had a great time, and I hope you guys enjoyed coming along. With that, I'll see you soon. Thanks again.